guys, welcome back to Honey Dash, and today I am going to be opening OMG Lights 15 surprises, and I have 3 mystery blind bags that I am going to be opening for you guys. I love to unbox for all of you, so let's get started with this video. And don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be starting with the Barbie mystery blind bag. Let's put this over here. That way we can open these. Okay, so I'm going to be opening up this one. Come on! Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is so cute! For our Barbies, here is cute little pink sunglasses and this really cute 65 numbered red mani pack. Oh, that's so cute! You can even put stuff in there. So, I think this is the collection guide. Oh, okay, so we have that one. And let's see if we get the phone. I want to see the phone. So that is our first one. And this feels really big. I know you're in there. No way. We got the phone! Did you guys just saw that? Look, I literally said I hope I was gonna get the phone and then I got it. This is so cute. So we got a Malibu. Sorry guys, we got a Malibu blue cap, and I love how it's so detailed. And then we got little phone. It has all the little stuff, so we can do that and play with it. And then we also have a bracelet. I'm super excited for this. Okay, so this is the last blind bag that we have, and I hope we get the baseball is, and actually I really do want one of the shirts. I hope we get one of the shirts because I want to. See. Oh, this is so cute. Look, so we got that. Then we got this mani pack. It looks like a van. You know those shoes, Vans? Oh, those are so cute. I love that. Yeah, we're definitely using this for our Barbies and our surprise OMG doll. So I am excited. Let's throw this away. So we didn't complete the whole set because we only had 3 bags of it. I really hope next time I get the t-shirt, and I am super excited to show you guys the OMG doll. Okay, so I am going to put these aside, the scissors, because just in case if we need this, and I'm excited to open the OMG doll. So here it is. Oh my gosh, that's so big. Even the camera can't even. Okay, that's better. Okay, so here is 15 surprises. I'm literally saying 15 subscribers. Oh my gosh. Unbox Fashion, Dress Me, Shine Bright like black light surprises. And her name is Speedster. Let's see in the back. So it says, OMG, we sisters invite all of our fabulous BBs to the event of the season. It's lights, camera, fashion as we hit the neon carpet in our boldest and brightest looks. Get ready to glow, cause when the black lights hit, we'll reveal outrageous glowing surprises. And this is the dolls, and there's Groovy Babe, Speedster, Dazzle, and Angel. Here it is. And here is, looks like someone tried to open it. But here is, hey sis, and that's little sister. So let's get opening with this. I'm really excited. Okay, so let's pull. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love her pink eyeliner. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. Okay, let's put that back in. Oh my gosh, look! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Literally, it goes like that. Then when you pull to the side, it goes to color. She is so cute. Okay, let's put her back in. Let's see the doll. What's that noise? Oh my gosh, how do I? Oh, there's tape right there. So, okay, got the tape. Let's pull. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? At the bottom too? Oh my gosh. It's so different that I literally... Oh, I just take off the whole box. Okay, so let's put that right there. Oh my goodness. She is so cute. Oh, she is so cute. I love it. So let's unbox her.
Ding, 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 ding. Just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna mess her up.
Okay, so we have the blind bags. So let's open the blind bag. First, we need to see this. Speedster. And that's all it says. Cute. I think this is a sticker. Oh, it is a sticker. That's cute. We'll use that later. Okay, so we have... Oh, that's so cute. Here is one glove I'm guessing she wears. And here are her cute earrings. They're neon. Let's see what's in here. Oh, here is another glove. And here are her flamin' hot glasses. So we'll put the paper in the shoebox. Perfect. And we'll put on her accessories. Oh yeah, and I forgot about her outfit. So let's see this. Okay, we see... Aww! That is so cute!
Oh, that is so cute!
Look how cute that is. Let's put this on her. And here is the wardrobe hanger, so we can use that. I am going to clean this up and then we'll get started. And here is the doll. She has basic 5 points at the hip and no flexibility at the foot or knee. Hip moves, and she has flexibility at the elbow and wrist. Her head turns. So this is how the doll is. We'll put on her jacket, and yeah, you'll see her. So the light does work. We actually had to take out the sticker. That way it can work. And let's see it. First, let's put on her sunglasses. I'm singing Anna and Elsa song. Have you seen the second movie, guys? The second movie's so good. I love it. Okay, so let's go see in the dark. This is her. Oh yeah, I forgot to put on her hourglass, but we'll do that later. This is her glow in the dark. Oh my gosh, the camera. Look how adorable that is. And her shoes glow, her earrings, her sunglasses, everything glows, even her lipstick. That is amazing. And that includes our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And tell me if you want more unboxing videos, and I will. And hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, I was super excited to open this OMG doll. And I'm so happy that you guys got to see her in this video.